Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I'm going to do a Dutch pour using a combination of a hairdryer and an airbrush. I've got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. Hi there, my name is Tish and I am the owner and artisan of Happenstance Furniture and Sundries. Okay. What I've got today, as I should probably shake them up, because I haven't shook them up in a minute, is this is Artist Loft Neon Blue and Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. So let's shake them up. And then I've got Artist Loft Metallic Bronze. Deco Art Extreme Sheen, and again I can't read my own handwriting. Pink Tourmaline. I think it's a U. It looks like a U. It might be an A, but it wouldn't make sense for it to be an A. But then again, nothing in life really always makes sense. And then I've got my own custom purple here that I mixed out of Artist Loft colors, which reminds me I need to find my notebook. And then Artist Loft White. We're going to do a combination of hairdryer and airbrush, just because the hairdryer seems to move the paint in mass amounts easier than the airbrush does. But the airbrush, I can go in and wispy it better than I can with the hairdryer, at least on a smaller canvas. I haven't tried this on a bigger canvas. That's coming up. So let's pour the white paint on. Now let's hit it with the torch. So we're going to start with the purple. All right. Let's put the white around the edge. And we're going to use the hairdryer and blow it in. Okay, now let's use the airbrush. All right, a couple of wispies that I want to encourage. Let's torch this one more time. That one we're going to let sit for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back to it and do our final look. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, and it's time for your close-up. No makeup this time. So we'll start in this corner. I like how this one turned out better than the straight airbrush one. It has a lot more wispies in it. And the color is a lot more pronounced. The other one didn't muddy up as much. or muddy up per se, just mixed. because it wasn't really like a completely different color. It was streaks, and it looked cool, at least in my opinion. But that part is my favorite. All the little lace and cells. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you liked this video and like to see more like these, please click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of when we go live or when we post more content to our channel. Thanks for joining me. Peace, love, and happiness.